Hello student, as you can look at the screen, uh, today I am going to show you the procedure for the given practical. For that I have stored the practical in my folder. So student, I have created my video related with the how to create the folder or how to create a file. Now as you can look at the screen, so there is here you can look at the different folder is there, libraries, document, practical, basic practical word. I have created my folder inside the folder. You can create your folder in the D drive also. You can create your folder in the document folder also. Now I have created my folder inside the document type of folder. So you can create your own folder in D drive or E drive and whatever location inside your computer. So for that you can use the reference how to create a folder. Also now I am going to show you a simple procedure for the given practical about the cover page. For that I have created some steps related for your practical notebook, because you have to cover your practical notebook. So for that you have to write the different steps there. So directly I am giving you a ready-made material related with the procedure for the given practical. So note down the different steps related with the practical we have done in the last video. You can see the practical for the cover page in my video in detail. So if you having the knowledge how to create the procedure for the relative practical, you can create your own procedure, you can write your own procedure. But now I am giving you the procedure for the given practical. So look at the first step. So open the MS Word application by selecting the start menu from the desktop. Then step 2, these different steps are there. You have to write that step in your practical notebook. I am very serious about that. Write the proper steps inside your practical record. I will check your practical record whenever I am saying you, I am checking your notebook on that particular date. So this is very important for you. You can write, you can type your own procedure inside your computer. You can give me the printed material, or you can directly give me a drawing of relative topic or relative practical. You can give me the direct drawing of relative practical, or you can select the different step. You can write the different step in your practical record by your own thinking. But now I am trying to give you some steps relative to the last practical. So write the proper step for the practicals. The step number 2, click on the insert tab. Insert tab, I have told you about the insert tab. Why we use the insert tab? Insert tab generally used for inserting the different material like the different pictures, symbols, or many options. You can see here. Now insert option will show you the different articles, different things you can insert in your document. You can see at the top, cover page is there, picture is there, clip art is there, shapes is there, chart is there, page number you can insert the word art, you can use the date and time, you can use the signature, equation, symbol. Most of the things you can use inside your document also. So insert tab is very important to insert the new things in your document. Step number 3, whatever I am saying to you, keep on that word I am saying to you. You have to write in your notebook. It's very compulsory for you. Whether it is not typed in this screen, you should have to write my word in your notebook. So look at the third step. Click on the drop down arrow of cover page option and select cover page. Drop down option arrow or cover page option. Select the cover page. Here we have selected the cover page. And step number 4, select all matters of cover page and press delete button. Step number 5, click on the insert tab, click on the picture option, select the computer image. You can select any image from your computer. So click on drop down arrow of text wrapping option. This option is available in the format, so you can see after selecting the image you can change the properties like select top and bottom option. This option is available inside the format option. This option will show you after selecting the image. Directly here there are the different tabs available, but whenever you will select the image, then that time only you can see the format option, and inside the format option there is a step number 3. Now I don't have written here, I don't have typed here in the step number 3 the drop down arrow of cover page and select cover page is option is available in the format. Okay, then step number 6 is there, I have told right now. Step number 7, format computer image in format tab option. You can change with using format, just I have told to you. After selecting the image you can see the format tab at the menu bar. Click on the drop down arrow, there also again the procedure is same. Then step number 7, 8, note down the different procedure in your notebook. Again I am come back to the step number 7, format computer image in computer tab option. Click on the word art option, select the word art for the typing the computer word computer. Click on the drop down arrow of the text wrapping option and select the top and bottom option is there. Again you can change the different setting with the help of format menu. After selecting any type of word or any image is there, move and set the title to cover page area. You can change the location for the word, you can change the location for the image, moving the image, moving the word as you required at any place over the page. Then step number 11, click on the insert tab. Again is there, again same procedures are there, but just you have to manage the different procedure as you required. So after watching my last video you can do the practical in the good format. So again we are moving towards the step number 12. Click on the drop down arrow. Again this procedure is happening in front of you. Move and set the class to cover page area. After the 13 number step, there is the step number, I am writing here, step number 14 is there. What will be inside the step number 14? Save the document. This is the step number 14, because without saving the document, your document will not be saved inside your computer. So what will happen? After doing practical, if you are closing the Word window, then your practical will be removed from your computer. Instead, if you are saving the document, then your practical can be saved inside your computer. Whenever you will require the practical, you can open the practical for your further use. If at the next day, if you want to change the color of the page, you can change the color of the page by using the page layout. If you are choosing the different options here. You can apply with your page, like page border, page color, watermark, different options available here. You can change the margin, you can change the size as you required. You can do the different practical with the next day. For that, what you have to do, you have to save the document. Step number 14 is very important. You have to save the document. After that, you can perform the practical what you have done with the last practical. You can further continue your practical with the new ideas. You can develop the stored practical as your new idea. If after 5 years or 6 years, if you are getting the new ideas, also you can change the look of the created page. So for that, you have to store the document with your name, with your required name, proper name, so that you can again access the practical whenever you will require. So thankful for watching this video. If you are unable to look the different step, then again I am showing you the step. Just pause your video and write down the step whenever you are watching this video over the YouTube. Thank you.